This morning we're hanging out with Southeast Industrial Equipment and learning everything that they have to offer here.
I am the local territory sales manager, and my job entails calling on existing customers and generating new business, and mainly just developing relationships and maintaining them.
I am the Regional Vice President with Southeast Industrial. I cover Columbia, Florence, Charleston, and Savannah region. Day-to-day sales, service, parts, rental, operations. I manage all that for the company. So Southeast has been in the Charleston market since 1994. This building we're currently in, we've been here since 2003. We've seen it grow from roughly about 8 technicians to now 22.
We are one of 10 branches in the Southeast region, and we are a full-fledged dealership, so we do rental, sales, service, and parts, and we service over 200 customers in the local area, and we work with throughout our company as a full-fledged dealership. So Neal Brothers has been a customer of ours for about 15 years. We consider them probably one of our biggest customers. Our relationship is a two-way street, which makes it good for our business and theirs.
Well, the biggest thing I can say about our relationship with Neal Brothers is when you see it on their shirts, their facility, on their banner, it's all about teamwork. And they have truly, not only are they all about the team here in Charleston, they're about our team. We've grown with them. They've reached out into the Savannah market, the Tennessee market, and other parts of South Carolina. We have moved and sold and arranged equipment to take care of any of these projects for them. So we just love being a part of the Neal Brothers team.
All right, so we're in front of an electrical forklift and we're about to get into everything that it has to offer here. So talk to me a little bit about this forklift.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is an electric, as you can see, the battery here is what operates the forklift. Typically in our LP, gas, diesel units, this is where the engine sits. So this is the engine of this forklift. So a typical run time on a battery operated forklift is 6 to 8 hours before you have to recharge it. This is where you actually fill the battery with water when needed. We have a safety grab handle here to actually get into the forklift safely. So actually this is a very quiet unit. So even when you turn it on, you don't even hear it. You can just hear the clicking noises, okay? It's a lot different than an LP or gas diesel truck. Your seatbelt, make sure you always buckle up before you get started. That's right, okay? This is your brake pedal. To release it, all you do is release it there with that blue pin. These 3 levers here actually operate the forklift. This is your lift and lower, okay? As you can tell, it's very quiet. You don't even hear it running.
All right, so now you're gonna kind of show me how to take control of this and some of the handles on what they do.
Absolutely.
Okay, perfect. So should I get in there?
Yeah, so like I was saying, this is a grab handle. You want to make sure you have 2 feet on the ground grabbing that, and then 1 step up, and then enter it that way, yes. What's good about the Toyota, you have entry in both ways. You can get in from the left and the right. This is your gas pedal, okay? To move forward, and it's beeping because you got your parking brake on, okay? This pedal here is your brake pedal, okay? That stops the unit. Perfect. And you got your parking brake, which is engaged over there. To release it, all you do is pull that blue button back to you to release it, okay?
Okay.
Got your horn there.
That was loud.
Okay. Your steering wheel, just like an automobile, and these are your lights, which turn on your front lights, okay?
Those are bright.
You're working inside a container or when it's getting dark outside.
Yeah.
This is your lift handle for the forks. You go up and down with it. So if you want to hit that right there to actually lift your forks up. All right, that lifting it up brings the forks down. So you want to pull it down. There we go.
Oh, it's very sensitive.
Yes.
Okay. There we go.
So if you want to go faster with your forks, you can actually hit your gas pedal and it'll actually go up faster. This lever here is your tilt, so it tilts your forks forward and backwards.
Okay.
You can go ahead and test that out. and it'll stop when it's automatically, it goes as far as it can go.
Okay.
And push it back to you, brings it back to you. And this button here is an automatic self-level button. And it actually only works when you're tilted all the way to you. You hold the button in,
Yep.
move forward, it'll stop at level.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and do that if you'd want to try it.
So push the button.
So hold the button in,
Okay.
and then push up. See it stop.
Oh, there it goes.
So it stops at level, so the operator knows he's level going into that pallet.
Yeah.
Okay. This third lever is for an attachment, which we don't have one hooked up to it right now. Typically a side shifter is what's attached to this unit, and it allows you to move the carriage 4 or 5 inches each way
Okay.
for ease of operation for the operator. So now we want to operate it. So we'll bring it all the way down. We never want to have our forks up in the air when we're driving. Safety feature.
That's good to
Okay.
know.
All right.
There
So
we
we got our lights on. If you want to go ahead and undo the parking brake, that blue button right there, just pull it to you.
Okay.
And it's going to operate just like an automobile,
Yeah.
the steering wheel, okay? So you want to put your foot on the brake, and you drive it just like an automobile,
Oh, okay.
okay? And it's pretty
Bye, y'all.
maneuverable.
I don't want to go too fast.
Okay, that's a problem.
And then what we'll do is we'll go
If you want to go in reverse,
Backwards.
there you go, to go back.
get us framed back up in here.
And that beeps to let operators know that you're in reverse heading backwards.
Everything you see involves a forklift to pick it up and move it. At some point in time, a forklift has pretty much touched it. So it's important for people to know that we're here and available, because you just never know when a project's going to come up for us.
I think it's just important for people to understand that, you know, whenever you see a truck on the road, a container, a forklift is used to move what's in a product that's in that container, and it's all throughout Charleston, all throughout America. So we have a major part in getting stuff moved from spot to spot.